Meet the 94-year-old entrepreneur who says it's better to wear out than to rust. What started off as a weekend business soon became an enterprise, with 94-year-old Harbhajan Kaur selling her specialities under the brand name Harbhajan's and the tagline, "You'll remember your childhood." You are never too old to follow your dreams, and there's no better example than Chandigarh resident Harbhajan Kaur, who started her own business at the age of 94. In 2016, Kaur confided in her daughter Ravina Suri that she felt dejected at not having earned her living all these years. Aware of her mother's cooking capabilities, Suri decided to motivate her then 90-year-old mother to sell her personal favorite besan ki barfi. Though she has been making barfi for ages, it was only for the members of the house. However, when she expressed that she has never earned on her own, "I decided to give her a push," Suri told in her interview. Kaur and her daughter then started visiting the local market in Sector 18 Punjab to sell sweets. But what started as a weekend startup soon became a on-orders-only enterprise, with Kaur selling her specialties under the brand name Harbhajan's and the tagline, "Bachpan yaad aa jayega, you'll remember your childhood." This can be a message for all people of such age groups that everybody can do something. She always says, better to wear out for rust. Moreover, as children, we must motivate them so their life becomes more meaningful. Harbhajan Kaur's accomplishment has drew plaudits from many, including business tycoon Anand Mahindra, who called her his Entrepreneur of the Year. Harbhajan Kaur from Chandigarh proved that age is no factor when there is a will. Even you can when you decide. Thank you for watching. For more, please subscribe to Be the Change.